your industrial pumps, tunnel fans, air compressors or valves disrupted by suboptimal performances, unprecedented risks and blurred financial viabilities? Do you wish you have a one-to-go solution for your mechanical intensive asset networks where you can utilize mechanical components confidently, efficiently and in a cost-effective manner? Tigernix Mechanical Solution is the unsurpassable mechanical asset intelligence solution empowered with the latest technologies in vogue. This technology suite facilitates mechanical asset managers in demand management, system engineering, configuration management, asset acquisition, operation, maintenance and continuous improvement of four main types of mechanical assets. Pump management, fan management, valve management and compressor management are the four modules that your asset managers can exploit to gain outstanding asset condition monitoring, budgeting, and prediction capabilities via this solution. Tigernix offers sensor systems and other PLC and instrumentation products and services that allow your mechanical asset operators to extract real-time data of your pump, fan, valve and compressor conditions under one screen. This sensor data empower HMI systems and big data platforms to optimize your building management system, with a consolidated view of the risks, costs and performances of all your mechanical asset components under one screen. Tailor AI-driven or user-defined budgets to learn about your mechanical asset investment plans for the next 10 years with cutting-edge reporting tools, budget prediction technologies and automated compliance checkers. The digital twin technology will allow your mechanical assets to be visualized in the form of a tweakable virtual representation illustrating real-time and desired condition information, health and performance statistics, probable failure information and more. The simulation technology housed in the solution will allow your mechanical operators to simulate pump, valve, fan and compressor models based on their working environments to learn their resilience and sustainability during dynamic environmental changes. Learn the performance fluctuations during end-to-end life cycles of your mechanical assets using an interactive asset timeline tool that allows asset operators to view asset behaviors starting from installation to disposal or replacement. Connect with Tigernix to learn more about our smart mechanical asset solution by mailing us at info@tigernix.com.au. Tigernix Mechanical Solution, the one-to-all intelligent asset solution for your complicated mechanical systems.